read the fine print, you have to check the guideline to make your application portal account, compress files to the file size limit. Also, if some portals only allow a set number of achievements, just include the most important ones to you.
The best way to figure out what hard skills or soft skills you have is to reflect on your personal experiences.
Finding the problem that you care about is super important here, because in your scholarship application later on, when you say that I want to apply for this course for this reason to solve this problem.
Mind mapping. I can show you a clearer picture of your ideas and overarching theme. This is basically like to ensure that your opinions cover the question.
Make sure your essay flows well, and the reason why is because first is coherency. You want to make sure that you're not jumping from one point to another. And second is promote understanding. You don't want to be using flowery language because this isn't an English essay writing competition. Just make sure that each sentence has good weightage and each sentence has quality, especially when you're writing essays with word limits.
When they ask you about your strengths and weaknesses, elaborate those points with events that actually demonstrates that. I think a grade that they are looking for when they ask this question is that you guys have self-awareness, that you realize what you lack.
You should have a certain goal in mind. You should have a direction on how you want to achieve those goals, but don't be so narrow-minded. Keep your options open because anything can change. Networking. Reach out to the seniors you have while studying your course. It's imperative to reflect on how your goals align with the sponsors.
You might need to ask yourself certain questions that might help you to narrow down your research areas. Which issues are you most passionate about? Which ones are related to your intended or applied major? Which one concerns the scholarship for you? Which ones are recent issues? Actual awareness interviews are not about facts, but rather it's how you approach those certain issues.